How do, folks? Just a bit busy here at the moment. I've got the parts from that gas tumble dryer I'll be on about. This is the burner out of it. Nice gas burner out of the tumble dryer. There's your gas feed in. Yeah. That's your gas burner, which would then dry your clothes. All electronic. Alright. That's your fan off it. Okay. And your motor. So we'll come to that. I've got a few more bits and pieces. Been quite busy. There. The old 20p slot. You put your money in there, like, and then your light comes on. That's all that one, mate. So I've got to go pick the rest of it up. But for the time being, I'm working on this little hoover dustette. Yep. Lovely little vacuum cleaners. I picked it up for £7. And it was a bit on the rattly side, so I decided just to take it apart to check it. And then found out that one of the brushes, the actual tabs over here, was actually loose, so I've had to take it apart. So I'm just going to quickly strip it and have a look and see what the situation is inside it. If it comes apart, because these are bastards to get into. So
instead of a cappuccino, a cappuccino. Pompadom. But every time we're out in an Indian restaurant, now a pompadom, something like that, it's a pompadom.
These are bastards to get into.
You're going to have a pompadom and wash it down with a cappuccino. I mean, it is quite charming when you...
People say what? I hate when you hear people say croissant.
You sucker.
Instead of croissant.
What can you say that?
But yeah, croissant.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
Croissant.
You're not being a snob, but you just that's someone's national dish. At least in it. Oh dear. This is a minefield. And we changed the subject. Because we're slagging people off for being stupid and then we're doing the exact same thing.
We also asking.
Yeah, well, let's let them do the estate. All the Radio 2 listeners, you let us know what you say wrong and also whether you've had any issues from this. What's the other? Oh, yeah, divorcing and splitting up.
Yeah.
What's the thing you've lost?
Yeah, or what you had to fight over. Yeah, what were the things that were most precious that came out of the relationship? Apart from kids, we don't want to talk about kids. We're talking about trinkets and record collections.
There we go. What a bastard.
We don't want everyone's dirty washing, but just like nice upbeat.
There's your armature. Your commutator bar. Your windings. Something flying off over there, but I hope it wasn't part of the commutator bar. And look at that there. Absolutely pristine clean. You would never even know that was actually in use. Isn't that beautiful? There it is. What? It's good enough for me. So I'm going to give it a quick clean, get it back together. I'm going to try. And I got this thing to get working now. Alright.